In today's video, I will walk you through how to create customer statements in QuickBooks Online. To begin, tap the link in the description to create your own account. Open your QuickBooks account. Go to the top left corner of your dashboard and select Create. If the New button is not immediately visible, make sure the navigation menu is expanded. Once you select Create, a menu of common transactions will appear. From this menu, select Statement. This opens the Statement Setup screen, where you can enter the details for the customer statement. First, choose the statement type you want to use. You can select a balance forward statement, which shows the starting balance, activity during the selected period, and the ending balance. You can also select an open item statement, which lists each unpaid invoice individually. If your version of QuickBooks provides a transaction-style summary, you can select that when you need the transaction details included. Next, set the date range for the statement. Then select the As Of date to control which transactions appear on the statement. After setting the dates, choose which customers should receive the statement. You can select all customers, customers with outstanding balances, or specific customers. If you're selecting specific customers, choose the customers whose statements you want to create. Review the customer contact details to make sure the statements are associated with the correct customer information. If aging columns are available, select the option to include them in the statement. You can also add a short message to the statement if that option is available. Enter the message you want customers to see. If QuickBooks provides a preview option, select Preview to review the statement before saving it. Check the formatting and totals shown in the preview. Once the statement details are correct, select Save. If your version of QuickBooks provides a Save and Send option, you can select it to email the statements immediately. Otherwise, save the statement first, then send or print it afterward. Before finalizing the statement, review the statement type, date range, as of date, and selected customers. Make sure these details are correct before you save. Then select Statement. Choose the statement type you want to use. Set the date range and as of date. Select the customers who should receive the statement. Review the customer details and include aging columns if available. Add a message if needed, then use the Preview option if it is available to check the formatting and totals. When everything is correct, select Save. If Save and Send is available, use that option to email the statements immediately. Otherwise, save the statements and send or print them afterward. That's all there is to it. You've now created customer statements in QuickBooks Online by selecting the statement type, setting the dates, choosing the customers, reviewing the details, and saving the statement. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.